I'm gonna go ahead and cut some grass with this thing. Let's see what it can do.
Few minutes later.
Goodness gracious. I just got ants all over me. Damn. Oh my Lord. God. All over me. Ah. Good gracious, stepped in the ant bed. So I wanted to do a quick review on a cheap weed eater I picked up off of Amazon, and what I wanted to do was one of these battery operated ones to try, just kind of see how it would perform. Oh, that's cool. Oh, look at that. It doesn't have enough power to cut the, that's pretty cool though. Doesn't have enough power to cut the screen.
Me gusta mi gozar, me gusta mi perrear. ¿Por qué será que vivo con una luz que alumbra mi andar, que me hace cantar? Sé muy bien que la vida no es fácil, trabajo como todos los demás, y después que se acabe la jornada.
Makes a good beginner weed eater. I mean, I wouldn't carry it out to like a commercial job site or nothing, but got stuck. Honest review about this thing. This would make an awesome kids toy weed eater. It just lacks the high-end power that you would find from a normal weed eater, and it really struggles when it's just trying to cut grass. But the good thing about it is that if you're trying to cut grass around, like let's say a screen in porch or a screen pool, and you don't want to cut the actual screen itself, this thing does not have enough power to cut through the screen, so you're safe. I mean, heck, I could probably put this thing up on my hand and swap my hand with it and probably wouldn't hurt that bad. I mean, it does cut grass. Does it cut a lot of grass? Not really. From a scale between 1 to 5 in power, I'd probably give it like maybe a 1.5, and that's if I were rating it against a still. Other than that, this is my honest review from it. I mean, for the price, it's pretty cheap, so you can pick them up on Amazon and have them pretty quick. And this is a great starter for your kids, especially if they're trying to do some chores around the house, you want them outside cutting some grass. I would recommend this for the kids, okay? That's my recommendation. But if you're an adult and you got a lot of area to cut, don't get this. But if you got like a small little area and you just want something cheap and fast and just really tiny area to do, this is probably gonna be best for that type of person. I hope you liked today's review. Talk to you soon.